Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior and interior look. Sports tuned suspension. 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E300 4MATIC has 37,553 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.